This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Mercedes-Benz GLS450, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs on that vehicle. First up, let's show you how to put the front wiper blade into the service position.
To put these wipers in the service position, you'll want to turn the car to the accessory position. You have to push the button twice, then turn the vehicle off, and then push in on the button that's on the end of the wiper stalk and hold it for about 3 seconds. Blades will go up into the service position.
Next, we're going to show you how to check the oil level.
To check the engine oil, we need to do it through the console here. You need to hit the home button. We're going to scroll over. You got to use the left-hand side of the steering wheel to service. And then if you scroll down here to engine oil level, you will need to make sure that the car is on and is warmed up. Otherwise, you're going to get this message. But if the car is warm and you do this, this will measure the engine oil level for you.
And finally, let's show you how to change both cabin air filters on this vehicle. Reach under the glove box for the first one. Remove one rivet and pry down the panel. Release the connector. Reach back here for the access cover. Turn the two fasteners and pivot the cover open. The cabin air filter can then slide down. The second cabin air filter is located on the passenger side of the engine bay. Reach back here, disengage two fasteners, and lift up the panel. Reach in, press two tabs, and pull the cover to open it. You can now remove your filter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more in-depth car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.